Hello everyone. So, how are you all? I think आप लोग सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे और let's move further with our topic. Today we are going to start with the business communication part 2, module 2. And our first topic is group discussion. Now what is a group discussion or a GD? GD is a tool used by B schools or the institutes and the companies to assess the personality before giving him a job or admission to a course. Now for example, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि काफ़ी जगह पे ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता है, GD होता है. नियरली देर आर 8 to 10 people, 8 to 10 persons who interact with each other on a certain topic. And there is a topic given to them. On that topic, they have to actively participate and they have to speak. Accordingly, the confidence level, the knowledge, the expertise is being noticed by the person who is the head, and overall admission to a course or they have been selected for a job on the basis of knowledge or expertise or the confidence which they have shown in the GD, in the group discussion. Now, GD comprises of three important aspects. तीन important aspect होता है GD में. The first is power of expression. How do you express yourself? The second is ideas and knowledge of the subject. Whether you are aware of the current topics or not, whether you are aware of each and everything which is going on in our surrounding, in our environment. The idea, the knowledge is the second aspect. Third is the leadership ability and the coordination capacity. Leadership ability, it means basically when a topic is given to the group, who initiates it? Who initiate it? That is being considered. Okay? That shows that you are having a quality of leadership. And also the coordination. If someone is speaking, don't interrupt in between. Basically, you are having a coordination and you are discussing the topic in a coordinated manner, in a disciplined manner. That is also noticed. So the three important topics, the three important aspects of group discussion are power and expression, ideas and knowledge, and the third is leadership ability and coordination capacity. Next we have to study what are the ingredients of group discussion. It means when you are going to undertake a group discussion, a GD, what are the things which must you prepare first, and then you can have a very good and disciplined GD. So here we have to learn about different points. 9 points are there. The first one is purpose. First you must know what is the purpose of having the GD. What is the purpose? What is the basically why you are conducting that GD? You must consider it first. The second is the planning. So planning is very important. Basically what the topic is, what will be the place, time, day, date, each and everything you must prepare first. You must plan first and then you must undergo with the GD. The third is the participation. The persons who are present at the GD, they all basically actively participate in the GD. Okay? That is very much important. So you must see to it that each and every person who are present for a topic, for a group discussion, they must discuss the topic well. Okay? They must actively participate in it. That is very much important. Okay? The fourth point is proper atmosphere. Proper atmosphere. Now, proper atmosphere means if you are going very much formal, then the people who are present in the meeting may find nervousness. They may be nervous to discuss the topic. So it is very important that there must be a proper atmosphere. You can have an informal kind of discussion so that the people present, the people involved does not have any nervousness. They will be calm enough and they can discuss the topic very well. Next is proper number of members. Now, it is always stated that there must be proper number of members. The members, it is advisable that the number of members can be from 8 to 10. 8 to 10. This number is not too large and not too small. So overall, you must see to it that in a group, there can be 8 to 10 persons, not more than that and not less than that. Next point is proper leadership. Now there must be a person who is coordinating the group discussion well. Basically, if the group comes under debate or some conflicts arises, so there must be a capable person who can handle the situation very well. So here proper leadership is also a point which must be considered, which must be kept in mind while you are initiating a GD. There, the next point is proper place. Now the place must be very much proper so that the persons who are coming in, the persons who are basically admitting in the group discussion does not find it difficult to come. It must be at a current place, convenient for all the members to come and visit the place on time. Next is proper timings. Now रात के 2 बजे अगर group discussion रखेंगे तो basically who will come? So basically the proper timings must be there so that each and every person who are willing to join the GD can come and participate in the GD. So there must be proper timings. Next and the last point is proper follow-up. Now next point is proper follow-up. Now proper follow-up means now that basically the leader who is conducting the GD, the leader who is conducting the GD must have a follow-up with the members that how they felt the group discussion, how whether they enjoyed or not, they have any criticism, does they want to say something. Basically their feedback is very much important so that in the next session whenever they are keeping the GD they can improvise themselves. So it is very important that the leader who is conducting the GD have a proper follow-up with the members who were present at the group discussion. Okay? So these are all the points which comes under the ingredients of group discussion and which is very much important. Now, next topic in group discussion is the role of leader. Role of leadership in group discussion. Now, what is the role of a leader that we have to study? Now, the first point is he is the initiator. He is the person who discusses the topic. Basically, he is the person who initiates the topic, who states the topic into the member and starts discussion. ठीक है, तो it is very much important that a good leader must initiate the topic first and in a well coordinated manner. Second point is discussion. When each and every person are discussing the topic, so the leader must be good enough कि वो जो भी डिस्कशन हो रहा है वो उसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मैनेज करे. इट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट डिस्कशन के टाइम पे कोई भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स वगैरह अराइज होता है सो वो उसके बीच में आए और कहीं ना कहीं हैंडल करे उस सिचुएशन को प्रॉपरली. तो इट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. The third point is maintains decorum. Now decorum means discipline. He is the person who can maintain discipline in the GD, in the group discussion. It is very much important. So he must be wise enough to handle the situation in the most appropriate manner. Next point is, the third point is motivates the group member. So basically he motivates the group member so that each and every person doesn't have any nervousness and whatever they want to say, they can say it without any fear. Okay? So the fellow members must be motivated by the leader in the most important and the most appropriate way. Next point is develop rapport. Develop rapport means the leader should not have any ego clashes which which is a key aspect. Basically लीडर बन जाते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं ईगो एटीट्यूड अपने आप आ जाता है, तो इट शुड नॉट बी देयर. बेसिकली ईगो क्लैशेस नहीं होना चाहिए. बेसिकली जो भी सारे फेलो मेंबर्स प्रेजेंट हैं इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन, ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन मस्ट बी गिवन basically a time. They must be given a chance so that they, whatever their point of view is, whatever their knowledge is, they can appropriately discuss. So the leader must develop a rapport with the fellow members so that each and every person can discuss the topic well. Next is time management. Now it is very important that time is not at all wasted. Each and every point which is to be discussed, each point का discussion होना चाहिए, and that too in a proper time. ठीक है, तो it is very much important that time management must be there. Then and the last final topic is coordination. Each and every point must be considered in an appropriate way, and also there must be coordination among the fellow members. If one person is saying something, don't start criticizing or interrupting that person in between. Let him finish first of all, and then you can state your point of view, whether it is against that particular point. It is fine if you are not basically on the with the topic. Basically अगर आपका point of view एक particular topic से अलग है, उसमें कोई point नहीं है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But let him first of all finish, and then you can state your point of view. So it is very much important that there must be coordination among each and every member. So these are all the points which must be there in a leader so that a group discussion can move on in a more flourished manner. ठीक है, तो in this video we have discussed about group discussion, we have discussed the meaning, ठीक है, the important aspects which must be there in a GD, the ingredients of a group discussion, and also the role of a leader in a group discussion. I hope each and every point is clear to all. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.